Welcome to InfoGateUp. In this walkthrough, we explore how to use the Customer Master module to efficiently add and manage customer details. On the left-hand menu under Masters, click on Customer to open the Customer Details screen. At the top, two fields are mandatory code and name. The code must be unique for each customer and can include alphabets and numbers. Example C1000 and 170 for the name field is used to enter the official name of the customer, individual or company and accepts alphabets. Numbers and symbols like hyphens, such as Trading Company. There is an Arabic name field to ensure at comply and bilingual record keeping. Optional fields include contact person, which accepts name like Mohammed Ali. Telephone for numeric inputs like +966 134567890. Fax, which supports formats like +966 131 to 34567. That number, a 15-digit numeric value essential for Saudi clients, for example. 310899097 for 000, accepting 10-12 digits, for example. 0541 to 34567 and email, which must follow standard formats like info@company.com. Each of these fields has a corresponding Arabic field for dual language support. On the right side, you'll find address-related tools, building number, street name, city and district, which accept alphanumeric inputs or alphabets as required. Examples include 1234. King Fahd Road, Riyadh, Tulaim. Country code should use ISO codes, for example. In, while country name accepts full names, for example. Saudi Arabia. Postal code must be numeric, for example. 11432. An additional number may include entries like 1234. The other seller it field is typically used in integrated or multi-vendor systems to uniquely identify sellers within your UP environment. In InfoGateUp, this field is often used to enter the commercial registration number, also known as the C number, especially for business operating in Saudi Arabia. The C number is issued by the Ministry of Commerce and is essential for formal business transactions. For example, you can enter valid C number like 10101 to 3456 in the other seller it field. It supports alphanumeric entries and helps link your customer records to official business registrations, ensuring compliance, traceability, and accurate reporting across modules. The identification type drawn in InfoGateUp allows you to assign the most relevant identification for your customer. For business officially registered with the Ministry of Commerce, you can select commercial registration number, commonly referred to as C number. This is a unique number used to verify and validate business identity in Saudi Arabia. For example, entering a number like 1012345 ensures that the customer's registration is properly recorded and legally compliant within your UP system. The credit limit field is defined the maximum credit amount you are willing to extend to a customer. This field accepts only numeric values. For example, if you set the credit limit as 500, it means the customer can purchase goods services worth up to 50,000 riyals on credit. If no credit is to be given, you can either leave this field blank or enter 0. This is especially useful for managing risk and controlling overdue payments. The credit days field determines the number of days the customer has to make the payment after receiving an invoice. This is also a numeric field. For instance, entering 30 means the customer is allowed a 30-day enter. You can enter values like 15, 30 or 60 depending on your business's credit policy. Together, these fields help you manage customer credit efficiently and ensure timely collections. The customer group field in InfoGateUp is designed to help you categorize your customers based on business type, pricing structure, or sale strategy. This field supports both alphabetic and alphanumeric entries. For example, you might create groups like retail, wholesale, corporate clients, Or B. To be Group 1. By assigning a customer to a specific group, you can apply group-based discounts, pricing rules, or webflow automation. It also makes filtering and reporting more efficient, especially when managing large customer databases. Proper use of customer groups ensures better organization, targeted marketing, and smarter business decisions. Finally, the name and details fields at the bottom or optional name can be used to add another contact person. And details is a free text box for notes like preferred delivery after 5 p.m. or invoice to be mailed only. To complete the process, use the Save button to store the data. If you need to remove a record, use the Delete button. You can easily retrieve existing customers via the Search Customer by drop-down, filtering by customer code, customer name, mobile or web number. That's how easy and powerful customer management is with Infogetter, ensuring your data is bilingual, compliant, and ready for invoicing, reporting and beyond.